friends, today I'm here to show you my monthly beauty box from IPSY. It just came in the mail today and there's a lot of great products, so let's open it up. Alright, so this is the beauty box. It's got all of these full-size products in it, starting with one of my favorite brands. This is by Juice Beauty. It is the SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. I actually love Juice Beauty's products because they're cruelty-free and they're clean, so this is a great one. I'm so happy to receive this. Next is by Wonder Beauty, the Baggage Claim Gold Under Eye Masks. I'm a huge fan of under eye masks because they really just lift and depuff a lot, and I get really puffy in the morning, so these I am super excited to try. I've heard really good things about them. Oh, and now we have a shave cream by Refreshments, and I really am excited to try this because I'm always lazy about buying shaving cream, but every time that I buy it, it's always so worth it. And this is a cream, so it's a little bit nicer than the ones that you get in a can. So definitely excited to try that. And next, we have what looks like an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, this is the Golden Hour eyeshadow palette by Beauty For Real. And this just looks stunning, infused with mango butter and vitamin E. So I will do a swatch test with this in a couple minutes. And then, ooh, I am super excited about this. Some full-size makeup brushes. I mean, who doesn't love makeup brushes and who doesn't need more of these? Because I know I do. Okay, and now we have this cute little pouch that says Stay Golden on it. Oh, and you can see the nose of my little doggy here. She's helping me out today. So first we have, oh, by Fenty Beauty, a Stunna lip paint, and the shade is Unlocked. I'm a huge fan of lip stuff, but I am kind of new to it, so it's definitely good to try some new products every now and again. Next, from this little bag of wonders, we have the hydrating primer called Quench from Tarte. I love Tarte's products because they usually go on really smooth, and I'm a huge fan of how they make my skin feel. Oh, and then we have the Glam Glow Super Mud Treatment. I haven't tried this stuff yet, but I've heard that it is quite the mask, so maybe this will be making an appearance pretty soon. And then, got a couple more things in here. Ooh, so we have a Cake Pencil Longwear Eyeliner. I love eyeliner. As you can tell, I always wear winged eyeliner. It's kind of my signature. It's my favorite thing to do on my face, so really excited about this. Then we have a Lash Blowout Mini Mascara. I always like these mini mascaras because I take them with me when I travel, and it really helps not having to bring a full-size mascara, so this is a good one for sure. And you can also keep stuff like that in your purse too. I know I do. I mean, I touch up when I'm on the go or when we're doing photo shoots and things like that. So just perfect. And then the last thing in that little bag is by Briogeo. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I love their products. I've been using their scalp care shampoo and conditioner set for a while now. Really love it. This is their Superfoods hair mask, and my hair is really long and kind of a little frizzy, kind of a little curly. This is what happens when I straighten it. It's just a little fluffy, so I really love using masks because they smooth everything out a lot. So that was it for this little pouch, and plus this is a cute little travel case. And next, ooh, so a few things. I'm gonna put the box down. There is this little Stay Golden bag. It's a little bit glittery too, and that's really pretty. And that goes with, ooh, a little sarong type thing to wear at the beach. I love these too because they just look so nice as a cover-up, and you can just walk up the beach to dinner and no one would even know. So let me open this up. Ooh, this fabric is so soft. It's like kind of one of those light gauzy fabrics that just looks so pretty in the wind at the beach. So this is it. Oh my gosh, this is just gorgeous. I mean, it just reminds me of like something you would find at a really nice spa or really nice hotel. So there you have it. That is my IPSY beauty box for this month. I am really excited to try out all of these wonderful products. Thank you so much to IPSY for sending it to me, and now we're gonna do some swatch tests. All right, so first up for the swatch test is the Golden Hour eyeshadow palette. I love eyeshadow, I wear it all the time, and I really like the warmer shades, kind of like I'm wearing right now, anything with kind of that golden hue. So, oh my goodness, this is incredibly beautiful. Look at these shades right now. Look at how they glint in the light. This is just so stunning. I mean, it reminds me of the water glinting off the ocean in San Diego, which I'm a huge fan of. Okay, so we're gonna take each shade and do a little swatch with it on my wrist here. So first is Reflection, that's this one right here. Kind of a light highlight shade. Just gonna take it with my finger and just sweep it across my arm, that way you can see it. So that is the first shade. It's a little hard to see. Oh, there we go. But it's just a beautiful highlight shade. This would look pretty on the inside corners of the eyes, under the brow bone, and on the cheekbone. That's where I usually like to put highlight. So next is Solstice. That's kind of that coppery color right there. Also very, very sparkly. Ooh, this one is definitely one of my favorites. Oh my gosh, look at that shimmer though. I mean, it just catches the light so well. I love it. Next is Ablaze. It's kind of a matte shade, very orangey. Ooh, it's still kind of light actually, pretty sheer. Not as like opaque as you would think it would be, but it's still really pretty. So that is that third shade right there. Next, oh my gosh, I love the shade Golden Ray. So sparkly and just, this is like almost like a metal foil kind of look. All right, ooh, that one, stunning. Oh my gosh. They look so perfect together too. I feel like I'm just gonna try to create a look with all of these in one. Next is Pink Sand. Ooh, this one is beautiful. It's kind of almost holographic a little bit. It's like pink and gold. Very, very light. That is just so stunning. Next is a matte shade Horizon. And this is a really pretty nude color. You could definitely use this, just sweep it across. It's hard to see a little bit, but you can just sweep it across the entire lid and it would just create a nice neutral look. Next is Infinite. This is the stunning sparkly blue shade. Right. Whoa, this is definitely a statement. So if you are going out or even if you just want a fun day look, this is definitely for you. And it still just has that prismatic sparkle, just like the rest of them do. And last but not least is Shadow. That's that darkest shade right there. I like to use dark shades like this as an eyeliner. Sometimes I just wet a little eyeliner brush and just use that instead of regular black liner if I want something a bit softer or smudgier. And shades like this are really good to smudge. So that is the last one. So this, I will hold it a little bit closer. This is the entire palette and it's just incredible. All right, so the next thing we're gonna be shade testing is the Fenty Beauty Lip Paint. I'm really excited about this. Ooh, and this is such a fun color. See, it's kind of like a nice, more pink take on red. It's a little bit more modern than a classic red lip, but I'm here for it and I like it. I would normally not pick out something this bold on my own, but sometimes we all need a little help to step out of our comfort zone. So I'm gonna just unscrew this here. Ooh, I like the shape of this brush actually. It kind of has a cool hourglass shape to it. It's really, really pretty. So I will just take this on the back of my hand just to show you what it looks like on the skin. Wow, this is great coverage and pretty bold. I just did a nice little sweep of it on the back of my hand. And there you have it. This I feel like is one of those colors that really looks good on everyone. I feel like anyone could pull this off and wear it. So just picture that, how it would be on my lips. So pretty. I love all of these shades, and what I love about IPSY is that it really gives you a chance to not only get products that you like and would probably already use, but also get a few things kind of like this that would just help you get out of your comfort zone a little bit more. So definitely great, and I would recommend it. Their shipping was super fast, and I love their products. All right, so that was my IPSY beauty box for this month. Check out my Instagram. I'll be posting pictures on my stories of all of these fabulous swatches for you to see a little bit closer up. And I'll be talking a little bit more about why I love the beauty box subscription. So check out my Instagram. It is linked in the description, and make sure you subscribe and like this video for more.